What's up, guys? Happy Mondays. Wow, let's see what's going on in the stock market bubble today. American Tower Corporation is down 4.2%. That's odd. OSO's is down a lot. A lot of these real estate companies are kind of down a little bit. I feel like American Tower Corporation would benefit a lot from the stimulus bill, or the infrastructure bill. BA went up a lot, 232. What's up, Dark Army? Dollar Tree went up 14.5% today. What happened to them? Who's pushing that up? That's crazy. I remember looking at Dollar Tree a few months ago on the earnings and thought it was extremely undervalued, but damn, $129. That's nuts. What's up? What's up? What's going on, chat, Jawa, Vanity? It's okay, man. Who cares about Lucid? We're all about GGPI. Facebook is up today. The Meta platforms. Very nice. Amazon, Tesla's down, continue to move down. Electronic Arts, TTWO. Damn, gaming sector is trying to come down. What about Activision? They're trying to kill us. We'll find out. We'll find out if Riot is today or not, man. We back. What's up, Mass Appeal? Sean, Hawaiian Beef, X-Play, Hungry, Kip. How you guys doing? Happy Mondays, man. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Rackspace Technology reported earnings today. Earnings per share is 25 cents as opposed to 24 cents. That's a beat. Revenue is 718 mil as opposed to 756. 31% increase compared to the same period last year and 5% increase in sales compared to last year. Doing pretty okay. Let's see. Company's down a little bit right now after hours. This is an interesting stock. It's a weird stock, man. It's a weird stock. I feel like it's kind of similar to PLTR in a way, but they don't want this stock to go up. They've been pinning it down. I feel like this could be buy the dip at some point. Playboy also reported today. Let's see. Playboy is at $31. Earnings per share is negative 18 cents. May not compare to 4 cents estimate. EBITDA is 5.15 mil as opposed to 7.2. Not doing so well there, huh? Sales is up a little bit. What's going on? I remember Playboy was doing some NFT stuff. So that's gonna be interesting, man. Like, what are they gonna NFT? Nudes? Mara is paying. That's what's up. How do we see Walmart for tomorrow? That's a great question. I'll show you the chart a little bit. Not overly bullish, but I could see them surprise. Rackspace sees next quarter pretty in line. Meh. They said pretty meh for next quarter. Full year looking meh, pretty in line. Like, not going anywhere. That's what they're saying. Let's see. Let's see LCID, man. Where is this report? What's going on? The LCID reported or not? All right. So they're saying some things, but we can't digest it yet. Let's see if we can digest the news before the stock moves. Ooh, they said Lucid Air wins 2022 Motor Trend Car of the Year. That's big. That's gonna be a big pump for the company. Like, for people that read car magazines, like, yo, 2022 Motor Car of the Year. Hell yeah. Pretty bullish on Ryan crypto. I think we're gonna see the biggest run in December for crypto. I mean, if there was a time for it, the time would be now when everybody gets like bonus money and stuff. These are just a bunch of news that I think a lot of these news already like been put out already. You know, achieving 520-mile range on a single charge, kicking off expansion of production capability and capacity. You know, blah blah blah, some more blah 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 stuff. Increased reservation volume, surpassed 13,000 reservation in Q3. I mean, I don't know how great that is. I don't know if they take like a full price for their reservation, or if they just take like a $150 deposit like Elon does. So, you know, who knows? Like, if they take full deposit, if you have to put like 5,000 or like 50,000 or something deposit, then 13,000 is a huge number. If it's only like 1,000 or less, then it's a meh. So nothing useful there. I don't even think the report came out yet, man. Nothing really useful. I'm not seeing nothing. Oh wow, really? Where did it go? Whoa, 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 whoa. This went from 80 to 55? Wow, what the hell happened there? Anyways, Hawaiian Beef, you're welcome. Glad I was able to help you out with that. What's up, Fiat World? Let's see what else reported today. You're welcome, Hawaiian Beef. You're welcome, man. I'm glad you were able to make some money off my brain powers. Express Spa Group also reported earnings today. Net income 7.1 mil as opposed to the net loss of 9.2. Yo, they're making money. They're making money. Sales is 26.8 mil as opposed to 201,000 year over year. Oh god, I feel like this. Why isn't this stock flying? Am I missing something here? I gotta be missing something, man. I mean, let's look at them a year ago. The company was trading around $1, $2. They just reported one of the best quarters that they ever had in a while. The company's coming back alive. You know what, man? You know what? Let me get into my account. Let me get into my account, man. I'm willing to bet this will see at least $1.80 to $2 tomorrow. How much stupid funds I have? Don't nobody jump my order. I'll see you at $2 tomorrow, Express Spa. See you at $2. Now, but that's pretty interesting earning actually. Because they have a record quarter revenue of 26.8 million, record net income of 5.6 million. So they're actually getting a lot of money back where they've been losing money for quite a while, and they were about to die. So strong liquidity position with unrestricted cash balance, coming up to 109 mil. So they got a lot of cash on hand, not about to go bankrupt anytime soon. In fact, they reached a year-to-date 9-month consolidated revenue of 44. It's pretty good. I like what I'm reading so far. They're doing like the things at the airport. swaps and all that stuff. So let me see. So we'll see. Should be good. Very interesting stuff there. Oh, they leaked this morning? I didn't even know. Is that why they ran up so much this morning? Because they leaked it? Oh, you must be lunching, man. Thank you very much. I did thank you guys on Friday, but I think you probably weren't here. Appreciate that. So I finally got to go up. I think like last Friday, I was able to start doing some burpees outside and stuff. So it was fun. Thank you, man. Mara offering the subpoena. Ooh, it's time for Riot to take over. It is time. Because if Mara's dying and like they came down a lot, they might come to the same price point as Riot, and Riot might start moving up. Like people might start switching over to Riot instead of that. Let's see, LCID moving to 47. Wow. But I'm not really seeing the earnings from them though. Once airport humming again, Express Spa should start ripping as well. I agree. What's up, Hazard? Where have you been, my brother? Where have you been? Crow, always a good dip to buy. Cybersecurity is the future, just like Metaverse. All in Facebook, you said? Hey, why not? Metaverse. Alright, let's check out some of the other earnings. XL, which is like another car company, they also reported as well. Earnings per share is -5 cents, as opposed to -10 cents. So they lost less money than anticipated. Let me see what else they said. Sales is 3.2 mil, miss estimate of 4.94. Not so good there. Sales is a little bit miss. Miss estimate by 35%. Body. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is disgusting. This is nasty, man. So Beachbody reported earnings. Oh, this is so bad. Loss of 43 mil as opposed to 31 mil last year. Net loss of 39 versus net income of 13 year over year. Sales is 201 mil, down from 251 year over year. It's downhill, man. Stock might be dying at this point. Oh, Body was a former SPAC, and it was supposed to be a pretty interesting SPAC. I think like Shaq, I think Shaquille O'Neal was like part of it as well. Maybe some other athletes too. I can't remember 100% very well. They have merged Beachbody with this other company that sell bikes and stuff. So obviously, as you can see, like Peloton's having issues and stuff. Bike sales are going down. People aren't working out at home as much. Oh, it's called MYX bikes or something like that. But I don't know why they're taking such a big hit. I don't know if they're taking the hit from like having to pay or something like that. But I liked the company when they first like started the spec. A few of us, I think, from the off-topic crew got in, and then we were able to get out during this last pump before they finished the merger, which was thank God because it dies so much. So we were very fortunate to get out on the pump. But I was pretty bullish on the company because I like Beachbody workouts because back then it was pretty good. Like I remember doing the P90X and it was like a very very effective program. If you follow it to the T and you have the space to do it and you follow it very well, like your body is gonna get built and you're gonna get ripped, you know. So that's why I like them, but I haven't really done any of those things in a long time either. The app ripper, that's a workout too? Oh, you know what? The P90X does have an app workout, and that app workout is insane. That's probably one of the only few workouts that I cannot go through the whole system because it just rapes you. It just rapes you, man. But P90X is probably one of those things where you definitely need you need a buddy to do it. You need a workout buddy because if you're doing it solo, man, that thing is just like it's just harassing you, man. You're like getting whipped by a Spartan. So unless you got your boy next to you getting the same type of whipping, you might not go through with it. You might not be able to do it. But it's cool. I like that guy Tony. He's a cool dude. Let's see what else we reported. Actually, let me see. It says full year sales between 820 to 830 mil as opposed to 963. A lot of losses. Honestly, I might pick this up at some point. Like I think if this goes to like 250 or something, I might pick it up just for the sake of it, man. Just for the sake of it, man. I might do it if they go low enough. Cause this was some point $10 to $18, came back to 10, to 13. Maybe they'll get short squeeze. Who knows, right? That could be a possibility as well. If it goes low enough, it could get short squeeze. Bros can hold hands while being whooped. SLGG also reported as well. Keep an eye out for this one. This is an interesting company as well. Small companies, but very interesting. Super League Gaming. Earnings per share is negative 15 cents as opposed to negative 16 cents. Sales is 3.6 earnings. I mean 3.6 billion as opposed to 2.96. Pretty good beat there. 53% increase compared to same period last year where they were losing 32 cents, right? And this is a 400% increase compared to last year of 718,000. So I'm actually a little surprised this is not moving either, because last earning they did pretty good, and they had a nice little pump. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this starting to move in a little bit. RKLB, let me see. Rocket Lab. Oh, I missed that. I'm sorry. This is another hype SPAC company too. Rocket Lab sales is 5.3 mil as opposed to 4.82 mil estimate. Backlog of 183 million. Oh, that's bullish. Currently at 237 million of backlog as of November 15. The backlog is crazy. They see Q4 sales, whoa, at 23 to 25 mil as opposed to 19.6 mil. Gap loss right now is still between 26 to 24. So this is pretty interesting, right? Q3 is only at 5 mil. Next quarter, they're looking to pull in 23 to 25. That's a 4x% increase, right? That's 4 times increase. So that's in a normal case, that would be pretty bullish. That's a pretty interesting stock to ape in. But in the special acquisition stock case, most of them they're already kind of accounted for that kind of growth. So it's all really up to speculation at this point. But Backlog is a great thing. Obviously guidance is strong here. Guidance is good here. Very, very good move. They said they successfully launched a dedicated mission for the United States Space Force in July. Space Force in July. The mission was Rocket Lab's second for the space test program. Hey, good for them, man. And then they got awarded a 24.35 million contract. Dun dun dun. They bought out some other companies. Good things. A lot of good things. Interesting company, man. I don't know if I have enough money to keep throwing at SPACs though. Let's see. Let's check out Gamble. We played this last quarter. Has it been 3 months? I felt like last quarter was just recently. I felt like last quarter was just like not so long ago. Felt like that was in like a month ago. Oh, what is up after hours? So Esport Entertainment's earnings per share is -3 cents. Beat estimate of -31 cents. Wow, that's a great beat. Sales is 16.4 mil as opposed to 16.23. They said this is an 80% increase compared to losses from the same period last year. And like 7,000% increase in sales compared to last year. Another great earnings. Stock hit 6.7, came back down to 6.3. Kind of back and forth. Yeah, Playboy reported it wasn't too crazy. It was meh. Esport Entertainment Group, Hoboken, New Jersey. American company, East Coast. Gross margin of 61%. Gross profit 10 mil. 92% increase compared to the previous quarter. Yeah, Walmart reports tomorrow. Another interesting ER. We affirms the 2022 revenue guidance of over 100 mil. They're pulling in 16 mil right now. So next quarter, they're expecting to make more and more. Revenue rise 86% quarter over quarter to 16.4 mil. Damn, stock is coming down a little bit actually. That's kind of weird. You guys said it got leaked this morning, but I don't see it though. Did it really get leaked this morning? Yo, they made like 300% more money than they did the previous quarter. So in the May quarter, Q1, Express Spa we released sales of 8.5 mil. This quarter they made 26.8 mil. Wow. Yeah, I think Curry did report on Friday, RB Nico. I mentioned you too. I don't think you were here. Unique fabricating. What is this? No worries, man. I know that was your favorite stock. You said you like watching those documentaries and stuff. SPY imbalance was 850 million to the sell side today. Why market so bearish? Whoa. Whoa. Look at this guy, man. He must be shorting the market so hard. Check this out. So I was just reading this news. This is during Bloomberg interview. The former New York Fed chief, Dudley, sees far more hawkish Fed rate rise path. He says that the Fed will have to raise short-term target rate from near zero to between 3 to 4%. Now, the Fed is only thinking about going to 2%, right? He's talking about 3 to 4%. Like, this is big, man. Like, if the Fed suddenly jumped the rate from like to like 1% and then they jumped to like 2% to 3 to 4%, that is gonna hurt the market. Like, that's gonna be big. I hope they don't do that, man. I don't know what would make people. I guess like that could happen if they replace Powell. If they replace Jerome Powell and a new person came in, that could switch things up, you know. High rate of catalytic converters, death leading to an increase in car rental company revenue. That's interesting. Yo, Young Bull, can I show that video? Can I show that video? Do I have your permission, sir? Yo, guys, you guys are in for a treat right now. You guys are in for a treat, man. So, me and Tommy was talking this morning, right? And he's like, we were just talking. He's like, yo, he woke up. He was about to go to school or something. He's like, yo, my car got stolen. He's like, my car converter got stolen. Right? I'm like, yeah, me too. And he's like, everybody, and we're like, everybody's gotta eat, you know. It's just an inside joke. So let me see if I show this video out. Hold up, I gotta let me pause the stream for a second, and then I'm gonna show you the video. Are you guys ready for this, yo? You guys ready for this? Oh man, what is that? Charmander? Is that a Charmander in the windshield? Damn, young boy flying. My man is flying. Oh shit. What is this? Yo, did you fart it too? Oh man, had me dying this morning. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, man. Sad life, yo. So yeah, young boat got his catalytic converter stolen. GG. Catalytic converter. Because apparently like this is a big thing right now. Like everybody is stealing it, and so it's like this was reported a while ago. If you guys haven't been like in the news about it, I think they started reporting this like early in the year too, man. So it's like why are people stealing it? How do you stop them? And it's all because they have precious metal in them like platinum and rhodium, and they sell car parts for money on the black market.
One of the first things you do after you get out of your car, you lock it to keep anyone from stealing what you have inside. Investigators are getting more calls right now about thieves taking something that you can't necessarily lock up. WECT's Cassie Simmons talked to mechanics about why catalytic converters are becoming the hot item.
Catalytic converters control what your car releases into the air. Without it, your car or truck could
$600 to $800 in the rhodium. You can turn around and you can
start it on the vehicle.
That's not including the cost of having someone install it. Your best bet, according to these experts, is to find a safe place to park.
The people that are doing this are real sneaky. It's quiet. Try to park your car in a well-lit place.
I did find some advice from the Brunswick County.
That sucks, man. So Mayor is issuing 500 million in bonds to buy more Bitcoin. Let's see that. Let's look at that. Because I think we went through all the earnings for today. Oh, Mayor. Advanced Auto Part came out. It was kind of interesting. This. Let me see what happened here. And then I'm gonna look into the Mayor one. Yeah, they're quick too. They're quick at it. Advanced Auto Part reported earnings per share of $3.21 as opposed to $2.87. Sales is 2.62 billion as opposed to 2.58. 14% increase compared to last year and 3.1% increase in sales compared to last year. So company is slowing down. A year ago, this company was trading around $160. Right now, it's at $240. So these sales are slowing down, and obviously stock is coming down a little bit because of that too. Full-year guidance, they did increase their full-year guidance from 10.6 to 10.8 to 10.9 to 10.95 as opposed to 10.83. So they think they're going to hit the full-year guidance in terms of sales. And comparable sales is going to be up slightly, a few percent. But that doesn't really justify the stock price going up like, over like 70, 80%. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. Nice. Congratulations, brother. Let's see what they said. Oh my gosh. They don't want me to read this article, man. Oh, they got a subpoena to produce documents and communications concerning the data center facility. Oh snap. Can you imagine if Mara like wasn't actually mining as much as they said they were? Damn, can't read this article, man. Freaking crappy Seeking Alpha. Let me look it up on TradingView. Oh, TradingView is not covering the other part of that news. So it'll be interesting if it falls from 80. Could potentially hit like the 36 range if it continue to keep dropping. Maybe even like the 39 range here. Oh, Bitcoin just went bearish again, huh? So Bitcoin has support around 62,700 range. It's been bouncing in that area for a little bit. The other day, it looks like it almost broke it, but then bounced out. So I think as long as it holds this area, we should be okay. I think even as long as Bitcoin is above like 55,000, we're okay. But if it drops under that, then things could be in trouble. Let's see, GGPI. It did come back down a little bit. I saw it hit like 14 today, came back up. It's hard to say. It's not much we can chart because it's such a new stock. You know, it's all driven by hype and FOMO right now. The LCID reported like numbers for earnings yet or no? Or are they just pumping that same news? Oh wow. Look, they have a earnings presentation. They thought they were slick. They tried to have an earnings presentation, but Bazinga couldn't pull this. Their presentation is not bad though. It's nice. Wow, look at that. Is that engine in a suitcase? Said production is increasing to 90,000 vehicle per year. Oh wow. They said they're planning to expand into Canada in Q4. I'm guessing this is Europe and China. Holy smokes. A lot of spending here though. Oh man, they said unprecedented media coverage. The Lucid Air is so good, it should make Tesla sweat. Elon's nightmare. They're really trying to compete against Tesla here. Where is this? Times Square? Wow, I love how they drove the car there just for that. That's cool. Then they put in a glass too. Oh man. I guess they don't really have anything great to report in terms of earnings other than the cash went up a lot. Everything else is pretty ugly so far. They don't really have any they don't have a lot of sales to show up for or anything like that. See how much it costs to reserve it. Oh man. Oh, it's only $300 to reserve it, so that's really nothing. Unless you want to reserve the more expensive ones. 77,000. Wow, 800 horsepower, man. Sheesh. I guess if you're gonna get it, might as well get the best one. It's not bad. Pretty good. That's some wow. There's so many EV company reporting today. Go EV also reporting today as well. Earnings per share is negative 35 cents as opposed to negative 44. 75% decrease compared to a loss of negative 20 cents last year. A lot of these companies are looking really ugly. RMO also reporting as well. All these special acquisition stocks, they're all reporting today and they're all looking really ugly. The only one that is like not looking like that is Lucid, honestly. Let me look at the market chart for a second. Let's see what SPY is doing today. So I think the bill is supposed to be signed today, but that could be pricing in. SPY is seeing a little bit of weakness. We saw some bounce over here the other day. It looked like we could be trying to go back up or coming back down a little bit here. Maybe setting up the double bottom. The Russell seeing some weakness as well. NASDAQ. Dow Industrial. Oil is starting to move back up, bouncing off that $80 level. Could potentially come back to 85s. Natural gas also had a nice bounce today. Three-year charging, that's a good deal. What's up? What's up, Cups of Magic? But weird though. Dollar index went up even more today. That's not good. Oh man, market is out of whack. Lumber is about to bounce. I'm confused. Market is out of whacks. Facebook is hitting a little resistance too on the 200. Is this the great short? Oh god, TTD hit 105. Goodbye. Is Tesla gonna hit 800s? No way. No way. Tesla 800s? What are you guys smoking? Oh yeah, marijuana had a strong move today. Ah, DKNG dropped more. Dropped some more. Breaking the double bottom there. Damn. Oh, that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna end it here. Be back tomorrow to take a look at some other stuff. But damn, market looking super sus. Bond is coming down. The TLT, which shouldn't be. TLT should be finding some support soon. So I'll probably look into that. VIX. All right, buddy. Take care, guys. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out.